Hello friends, welcome to Campus Placement Gurus. So in this video, we are here with the interview experience of Cognizant for Freshers. And here we will be discussing about interview questions of Cognizants. So if you are preparing for Cognizant or any other technical round, so this video is going to be very beneficial for you. So for you, we have collected different questions from many interview experienced students. So if you got an invite for technical round, so please prepare these questions in advance to make the process smoother. And if you are new to this channel, so don't forget to like, comment and subscribe this channel in order to get daily informative update. We will post here videos regarding job opportunities, free courses, interview experiences and all. So let's start the video. Technical round questions. So this is a technical round set 1. So here are some basic questions. Briefly explain the method you will use to execute an array linked list. What are the character constants in C++? Write a program to add toString without utilizing plus operator. Define the term OSI, TCP and IP. What are streams in C++? What are predefined streams in C++? Give me a query to find out the second largest compensation in an organization. What is the implementation of merge? So these are some questions that interviewer can ask. So let's move to the set 2 of technical round. Write a connection code to a database. So here you are required to write a connection code for the database and code. What are derived data types? Name the user-defined data types in C++. This is quite easy. Whether higher normal forms better than lower forms as far. So next question is redundancy is concerned. Explain token in C++. Also tell about their role and importance. How would you input data to your code? So this is quite easy. Can a database table exist without a primary key? What are the similarities and differences between a class and a structure? What is the reason behind using inner join and outer join? So let's move to our set 3. Suggest a method of joining two tables. What is a top n analysis in DBMS? Write a function to take n into argument and return 0. If the given number is prime, otherwise return -1. What do you mean by normalization? Where do we generally create index? What is object-oriented model? Define RDBMS. What are reference variable and how is it defined in C++? What are the various forms of normalizations? Why is DML provided? What is operating system? What condition leads to a deadlock situation? Explain the concept of flagging a semaphore. What is difference between RAND function and SRAND function? Define subquery. What is BCNF? What is the difference between semaphore and monitor? Explain these terms like linked list, stack, queue, array and some basic OOPS questions. Define triggers and also give its applications. So this is our last set of technical questions. Write a program to reverse a linked list. Discuss transparent DBMS. Define significance of constant arguments. What is the role undertaken by DBA in databases? What is RDBMS kernel? What is difference between primary key, foreign key, candidate key and super key? Differentiate exclusive lock and shared lock. So now let's move to our HR question that has been asked. Introduce yourself. Which is the last movie that you saw? Which is your dream company? What do you think are the qualities that a team leader should possess? What are your future plans? What are your strengths? What are your strengths and weakness? If you could be any animal, what would it be? So this is quite funny questions that they can ask. What were your favorite classes and why? Do you enjoy doing independent research or not? Who were your favorite professor and why? So these are some set one questions that they can ask. So prepare these kind of question in advance so that you can answer them smoothly. So let's move to our set 2. Are you willing to relocate to a completely different city? Tell me something about your family. What do you think it takes to successful in a family like ours? What qualities should a successful manager possess? Describe your most rewarding college experience. Why should we hire you? This is a very important question. So this question repeats almost many times. What do you think makes you stand out for a job in Cognizant? Tell me about a time when you worked effectively under pressure. So this is our last set, which is set 3. Working at Cognizant may involve working on a different technologies at different places. Are you ready to do so? So you have to answer yes. If you will answer no, so that will make you into a problem. What is your father's occupation? How was your academic performance in school and during engineering? Why didn't you think about pursuing higher studies rather than doing a job? Tell us about a time when you made a bad decision. So these are some HR questions that are generally asked in Cognizant interview. Also make sure to prepare your project in deep so that they will ask questions from that also and you can answer smoothly. So thank you guys, that's all for today's video, and we have discussed a lot of questions here. And if you like the videos, please like, comment and subscribe our channel and share with your friends who are preparing for interviews. So these are some really important questions. So if you are preparing for interviews, so prepare these questions in advance so that you will be able to answer fluently. And thank you guys, bye.